Filling ink tanks and installing print heads in the HP Inktank 310, Inktank Wireless 410, and SmartTank Wireless 450 series. Make sure the printer is on a flat, even surface, then press the power button. Now, grab the ink bottles and we will fill the ink tanks using its spill-free refill process. First, make sure the ink valve is in the unlocked vertical position. Lift the ink tank lid. Remove the yellow ink cap. For these steps, HP recommends setting all ink materials on the cardboard that was removed from the box earlier. Remove the yellow ink bottle from its plastic packaging. Set the bottle on a level surface and twist to remove the bottle cap. Slowly remove the seal from the ink bottle and set it on the cardboard. Replace the cap on the ink bottle, making sure it is tight. Flip open the lid. Turn the bottle upside down and set it on the ink tank spout. Make sure you do not squeeze the ink bottle at any point during the filling process. Once the tank is full, slowly remove the bottle from the tank while keeping it upright. Turn the bottle upright and close the lid to help contain ink in the spout area, and reinstall the yellow ink cap. Repeat the same process to fill the cyan, magenta, and black ink tanks. Next, we will install the print heads. Remove the tricolor print head from its package. Remove the black print head from its package. Open the front door and the printhead access door. The carriage will move to the center of the printer. If the carriage does not move, make sure the printer is turned on. Remove the plug from the tricolor printhead. Then, using the pull tab, remove the protective tape from the contacts. Hold the printhead by its sides to avoid touching the contacts and nozzles. We will install the tricolor printhead first. Push down to open the blue carriage latch. Slide the printhead until it snaps into place. Next, remove the tape and plug from the black printhead. Holding the printhead by its sides, slide it in until it snaps into place. Once both printheads are installed, push down firmly on the blue printhead latch. Remember to close the blue printhead latch for the printer to work properly. Close the printhead access door and then close the front door. This completes the installation of the printheads.